Gallo Pinto, el desayuno de Costa Rica. Gallo Pinto is the traditional breakfast of Costa Rica. It's made with rice and beans, a staple of the country, and sometimes eggs, cheese, or sausage can be added. It's eaten every day, todos los días, by the Ticos, or the people of Costa Rica. That's me, your teacher, Senorita Scoda. I traveled to Costa Rica to live for 4 months as I was learning Spanish. It was a beautiful country, and I learned a ton about the culture, the language, and even the food. This is my host family. My host mom did everything to make me feel comfortable in this new country. She cleaned, she practiced Spanish with me, but most importantly, she cooked. So we teamed up from across the world to show you all how to make gallo pinto yourselves. Here is what you will need. Base the amounts on the number of people you are serving and your preference for some of the ingredients. Pica la cebolla y el chile. Chop the onion and pepper. Ponlos en el sartén con aceite. Put them in the pan with oil. Añade los frijoles. Add the bean. Mezcla. Mix it up. Añade el arroz y mezcla. Add the rice and mix again. Añade mantequilla. Add butter. Por fin, añade el cilantro. Finally, add the cilantro. Listo a comer. Ready to eat.